guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, my name is Dania, and today's video is going to be a what I eat in the day. It was requested by one of my friends. Her name is Cynthia, and she also has a YouTube channel, so if you guys want to check her out, her name is Cynthia, and her looks like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alrighty, to start off my day today, I decided to have eggs and veggies. It's pretty much a norm for my everyday breakfast. So for this one, I decided to use onions. So I went ahead and chopped up an onion and used up about 1/3 of an onion. Next, I went in with a jalapeno and chopped it up pretty finely. After that, I went in with tomatoes. Once I have everything chopped up, I will put in some canola oil in a pan to heat up. And once that's heated up, I'm going to mix in my veggies into the canola oil until they're nice and soft. So once they're nice and soft, I'm going to add 2 eggs and just mix everything well until it's done. So for lunch today, my family decided to have enchiladas. Sadly, I can't have any tortillas, which was so sad, but instead I used romaine lettuce. So I grabbed 3 leaves and I added chicken to the inside and rolled them up. And then I covered them with a little bit of chili and cheese on top. It was delicious. It's so cute. And for snack today, I just had a couple of veggie chips. So for dinner tonight, I had cauliflower pizza. My family actually had Little Caesars pizza. But I started off with breaking up my cauliflower head into smaller pieces and adding them into the food processor. So I'm going to chop them up finely, not too much. You don't want to like puree your cauliflower head. I also added salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some oregano into the mix. So now I'm going to pour it into a bowl and just blend like a little piece that wasn't chopped. So into the mix, I'm going to add 1 egg and then mix that in well. And then I will add about a 1/2 cup of cheese.
Mommy does some pie. What's this?
It's paper.
Yeah, I'm making a pizza.
We're making a pizza?
Yeah, let's make a pizza.
Yeah, I'm making a pizza actually, but it's cauliflower pizza.
Let's go get
You ready? Go.
Let's say, hi guys, we're gonna make a pizza first.
Everything mixed together, I'm going to place it onto my baking pan and shape it into a square. Sorry, a circle. So I baked my pizza crust in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. After that, I will place my homemade pizza sauce I made. I totally forgot to film this, but I will leave the recipe down below. It's super easy, and I think it's pretty good. So I'm just going to spread that out evenly on the pizza crust. And I don't even know why I was using a spatula to smooth that out, but don't even mind me. So once I'm done spreading my sauce evenly on my pizza crust, I'm going to top it off with some cheese. And this is what my cauliflower pizza ended up looking like. It was delicious. Even though my family was eating Little Caesars, I still enjoyed eating my cauliflower pizza. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it for you guys. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Because sometimes we're watching TV. Watching TV, look it. Please get a puppy?
I'm so sorry, honey, but taking care of a puppy is a lot of responsibility.
What if we got you a little goldfish instead?
Why Dennis want puppy?
Dennis, what is
Are you done? Alright, say bye.
Hi, I'm going to say hi, guys. Hi, guys. We're going to live because we're making pizza. Because we're going in the dark again. No, watch out. No, we're going in the dark because you can't stay here. Look at that. Upstairs is so dark.
It's a surprise.
Dad?
There's a...
Every monster needs to have a cute little puppy.
Wait a minute, I'm running a straight line. I'm just running like side. Mom, slide down.
Yeah, don't touch that.
I can't see right. Why, I'm slide down like a parrot. Gotta go. I can't
Say bye.
No, I want to say bye.
It's time to go. Ready?
I want to still talk it then. No.
Alright, well you have to be extra careful, okay? Make sure you don't break it.
Hi guys, we got
You have to talk.
Look at we're playing Lulu because we trying to our cat. Can you see?
What is it now? Unbelievable.
Hey,
Okay, now it's time to say bye,
no,
guys.
I got to say hello.
Okay.
No.
Bye.
No. No.
Say bye. Look.
Now.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place